Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on PC with a keyboard and mouse. First, ensure eFootball is installed on your computer. Once launched, head straight to the game settings. You'll find a dedicated section for controller or input configurations. Here, you can easily switch your primary input method to keyboard, preparing for custom key assignments. This initial step is crucial for a personalized gaming experience. Now, let's customize your keyboard controls for optimal gameplay. Within the key assignment menu, you can map every action. Many players prefer WASD for movement, but arrow keys are also an option. Assign your primary actions like shooting, passing, and through balls to easily accessible keys. Don't forget defensive actions such as pressing and tackling for a balanced setup. Experiment to find what feels most comfortable for you. For advanced play, consider how the mouse can enhance your experience, especially in menus. While gameplay is primarily keyboard-driven, the mouse offers precision for navigating options. Map advanced dribbling and skill moves to keys that are easy to reach during intense moments. Dedicate time in training mode to master these combinations. Combining key presses for tactical changes, like offside traps, will elevate your game significantly. To truly master eFootball with a keyboard, consistent practice is key. Begin by getting comfortable with the fundamental controls before incorporating more complex maneuvers. Regular play will build essential muscle memory and improve your reaction times. Don't hesitate to fine-tune sensitivity settings to match your playstyle. A high-quality gaming keyboard can also offer a noticeable advantage with its enhanced responsiveness and anti-ghosting features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.